Hello everyone, today I like to make stir-fried chicken with pineapple and cashew nuts with wonderful flavor combinations made with colorful vegetables and fresh pineapple. It's easy, quick and so tasty. The whole meal only take a few minutes to make. This is perfect dinner recipe, suitable for both adults and children alike. The whole family will love it. Let's get started. The ingredients we need are chicken breast fillet cut into bite-sized pieces, pineapple, peel, cut and dice, carrots, onions, celery, green beans, red capsicum, green capsicum, roasted cashew nuts, garlic sliced thinly, grated ginger, chicken stock, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, tomato sauce or tomato ketchup, sugar, tempura flour, salt, pepper, and oil. Mix the chicken with salt and pepper, add the tempura flour, mix well, and set aside. Pre-mix the sauce, the chicken stock, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, tomato ketchup or tomato sauce, and sugar. Mix well. Let's get cooking. Heat the oil in the frying pan. Add the chicken. And fry for a few minutes. And fry for a few minutes until the chicken are cooked. Cook the rest of the chicken until finished. Heat the oil, saute ginger and garlic. I use a lot of garlic. Saute the garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add the mixture sauce. Stir for a few minutes. Add the onions, carrots, and stir. And cook for a few minutes until the carrots are tender. Add the celery and green bean. Red capsicum and green capsicum. And stir. Add the pineapple. And cook for a few minutes until all the vegetables are cooked. Stir fry until all the vegetables are cooked. Add the chicken. Stir. Finally, add the cashew nuts. Stir fry until well combined. Let me try. It's very, very nice. Yeah, I think my chicken stir fry is ready. You can add some spring onions to look more pretty. Look at that. It's very, very pretty and colorful. Chicken stir fry is ready.